in the MR2 today. Now, we're starting off the video out in the car for a couple of reasons. I want you to hear what the induction noise sounds like now with all the standard airbox and all that business. So, I've jumped in the car to do the intro of the video. I've mounted the camera on the roof because obviously it's glass, so I can do. And with a bit of luck, you'll be able to hear the induction noise, because the induction is that side of the car, I think. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. I don't know. Can't remember. It's backwards to me now. So either way, you're going to hear what the induction sounds like now, because I'm going to boot it down this road from inside the car, and then we'll be able to compare it to afterwards. And that was a 7,000 RPM gear change, because that's how high this bad boy revs. I love this car. It's such a fun car to drive. Anyway, so there you go. There's not a lot of induction noise, but a lot of healthy revving. So I'm going to spin round now and go home. Love it. And we'll start work on this bad boy. Love that noise. Love that noise. I can't get tired of it. Cut back to a shot in the garage now. Oh, like and subscribe as always, guys. Let's crack on with this video. So I'm back in the garage after that little drive in the MR2, and I thought I'll show you this. So this is my box of many things. I have pipes in here, I have filters, and I've got a new filter there too. I'm thinking with the bits and bobs that I've got, I must have enough stuff to make induction kit. Cheap eBay filter, K&N filter, another K&N filter, bit of intake pipe, got a joint, more pipes in there, got clamps in there, got some oil pipe in there as well. This is my box of pipes. And this here is a crossover delete kit off a Astra VXR that was given to me by Chris at OCD Refinishing. So I'm hoping with the joints on there and this piece, because it's got a breather, I think I can fashion something up for the MR2. So if we go to the MR2, we'll have a look at the setup. We can get it all stripped off and we'll get something made. Ta-da! So we need to disconnect it just there in the middle of the screen, and all these boxes need to come out. So I'm going to take this side panel off just to give me a bit more room and find something to prop this engine cover up with, and we'll get cracking. So I've just disconnected one of the boxes. This is loose. I just need to find where these boxes are actually bolted. Oh, that's not. That's the airbox. Oh, the airbox splits, doesn't it? Because obviously I've serviced it. So if I can undo that clip. Is there one more clip? Yeah, there's one more clip just there. Like that. That should hopefully split. Or maybe not. We can take this bit off and then take the box off. So the airbox is out. Leaving some bolts that apparently don't have a big enough socket to undo. I think I needed 12. I'm going to grab a 12 and get this box out then. This is what it now looks like. We have this oil breather here. You can just see that there. That I need to connect into something. Then there is this oil temperature sensor. And then there's the intake there. I don't know why it's in a box. I really don't know why it's in a box. It's bolted in. I mean, cold air is going to come through there, which is good. So I might leave it for now and see if I need to take it off at a later date. Because let's have a quick look. I'll leave it for now, and then if I need to do an adjustment at a later date, we'll do an adjustment at a later date. So now I need to find out what diameter that is and see if we've got some joints that's going to fit. So this is the setup that I'm going to go for. Touch that on there, touch that on there, touch the filter onto the pipe, and then I'm going to connect the breather on to that hose there, as well as punching a hole in the side of the joint just there for the temperature sensor. So what I've done is I've punctured a hole into the side, and that is lovely and tight in there. Because the way that the air sensor is actually shaped, it's pushed in, and then it's bigger now on the inside than it is on the outside. So it's lovely and freaking tight. Unfortunately, my breather pipe is fatter than the breather pipe on here, so I've made this one fatter by winding some electrical tape around it. Bit of a bodge, I know, but it will do the job nicely, and then I'll be able to slide that in there and tighten it up. Breather's then connected to the intake as it should be. Need to put a clamp on there, remove this bag, and then tighten the clamp up on there. And then if it's rigid, which it's not, I'm going to see if I can just tie wrap it down so it doesn't move. And it's right next to where the air comes out, just underneath it, straight onto the filter, which is freaking awesome. And there we have our filter. Sensors in, clamps on, clamps on, clamps on, breathers on, nice and tight. And I've got a tie wrap holding it down to one of the bolt holes there so it can't rattle around. So I'm going to get this panel back on, get rid of all this crap, and we'll fire it up and see what she sounds like. I hope my hammer's going to hold. I'm missing the freaking body stake. I'm hoping my hammer holds anyway, so I can we can at least hear what she's going to sound like. Right. Ready? Nope, can't take the steering lock off. Ready and go. Ooh. I definitely hear more induction noise. Should we give it a little blip? Awesome. The only thing I can do now is take it for a test drive and get the camera set up and get some more filming. But my missus has gone to the pub and I want to go to the pub, so I'm going to film it tomorrow. Still in this video, but to me it's tomorrow. You just stay tuned to this video. Sounds freaking awesome. So it's the day after fitting the induction kit. Get a bit of road where I can really give it the beans. Hopefully I can do it on the road straight ahead of me right now, but there's cars there, so I need to, I need them to move. One's gone left, one's gone straight on. Although it's setting off pretty quick. I like that noise. windows down for the return journey, but I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it or hear wind noise. But we'll give it a go. Glorious. Might have gained 1 or 2 brake. And yes, if I was sat in traffic, I would get heat soak. But we're not sat in traffic. And it's got the vent on the side of the car which directs air straight up towards the filter. So, it's freaking awesome. Right, let's see if we can get a bit of a blast back. Windows down, peeps. Let's hope for the best. Do it a bit slowly. That car in front can get a bit of a gap. Oh, look at all the cows! Hi, cows! Hey, moose! Power! Love it! What a noise! What a noise! And now I'm back in traffic. So that's the end of this video. We've made our car a little bit lighter because we removed all the air box and all the air intake. And we replaced it with all the scraps that I've had in the garage, and we managed to make a induction kit for the car without having to buy anything. I just had the bits already, which is cool. It means we've recycled. We're saving the planet. We're saving the planet because we've recycled car parts. Oh, and I think the heat shield might have dropped down on my exhaust because I keep hearing something just touch the road. Well, the exhaust will be coming very shortly. It's hanging up in the garage, and I've ordered the pipe that I'm missing, so that should hopefully be here this week coming, so then we can fit the exhaust to it too. And then we've just got the turbo lid, the short shifter, and the suspension still to do. I can hear someone's music. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you very soon in another one. Stay humble, guys. I can't even power. Power!